This is the good stuff right here. Today I'm not making a cocktail. I'm having a drink, but I'm not making one. It's the holidays, I gotta take a break sometimes, right? Instead, I'll be showing you the best of my channel from this past year. Some of the highlights will be your favorite videos, some of them will be mine, and some happen to be both. First up is the Espresso Martini. I've always been making Espresso Martinis throughout my career, but this last year, holy moly, Batman, I've been making a shit ton of them. I don't know why, but everybody wants an Espresso Martini. And now for one of my own creations. I call it the Express and Discard. This cocktail I created one night having a paper plane-ish kind of cocktail in mind. It also became kind of popular on Instagram. Alright, next up is the Aviation. This is one of the gin classics that you need to know. It's also my top video of the year, and very much thanks to my good friend Steve the Bartender. He gave me a shout out, and let's just put it this way, it helped a lot. So, thanks a lot, Steve. Here's to you. Okay, alright. Next up is one of my favorites. It's the Mosquito. This is another masterpiece created by Sam Ross. He did the penicillin and the paper plane that you might have heard of. This cocktail is smoky, spicy, bitter, and refreshing. Super cool if you ask me. So the next cocktail, also named after a New York borough, is an old classic cocktail, but it's just not as well known as the Manhattan. However, if you ask me, it definitely belongs in the spotlight. And a little bit more. Cheers to you, Kenny. Next up is a super interesting stirred classic gin cocktail. And if you're a Creme de Violette fan, this is a must try. It's time for the Arsenic and Old Lace. Feel free to subscribe and hit that like button for me. Now, what do you want to see more of? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, happy holidays, and happy new year.